Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. Another familiar scene here in the second floor elevator mechanical room. Took out the disconnect, like I said, that was already gone yesterday, but re-pulled this wire back into the unit itself right here. Have the cover off because they were already working on it. I don't want to break it. I don't know how to put it back on. I hate them with a passion. So left that off, got that wired back in. Through this, and then back through the outside, back through the vent, and then back in there. So just rewired that on the load side, and then I don't think we did anything on 3, and I just went straight up to, I think it was, no, I went to 4th floor, and then I went to 5th floor, so I will see you there in a second. Alright, so once I got up to the 4th floor, I worked on making sure all 20 of the disconnects for the AC units up here, or the fan coil units, were labeled with the off. I think 1 or 2 of them were missing, and then also worked on installing and making up these junction boxes for the lights. So I think there was about 7 of those. And then heading back upstairs to the 5th floor, worked on these feeder wires, as you can see here in the hallway. There's a whole bunch of them. So just, they were already all coiled up. My coworkers were working on them. So basically just stuffed all the, uncoiled them, untaped them, and then drilled some holes through the sheetrock and then stuffed them through. And then if I had to, depending on which side of the wall that they came in on, they had to go through a second set of holes to get to the other side, so we can get them inside the wall because one side's already sheetrocked. So that one right there needed 2 sets of holes to get down, and they're landing at the panels. So just walking down the hallway, this is kind of what it looks like up here. I'm not sure what those struts are for on the left side, maybe some future pipes or something for us or someone else, but the wires that we were working on kind of branch off to the left and right. As you can see, there's 4 of them there on the right, 4 of them here on the left. Strap some of those up there. Me and Nick were working on this together. Per usual, we pretty much work together every day. If you don't know that by now. Anyways, these ones that are coiled up here go upstairs. I had to also cut out the top plates up there with the grinder, because they didn't cut them out when they mounted their top plates up there, so had to cut out a whole, not a whole bunch, but a few of those, probably like 4 to 8 of those, and then also just getting that wire down here to the bottom of the panels again, and strapping that down a few times. And I told myself I was going to wear gloves, but that obviously didn't happen, so my hands turned up black from all the oil. So that's pretty much it. Alright everyone, that's going to wrap up today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, drop a like, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you guys back here tomorrow for another electrical work video. Check the description for anything else, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Don't think I'm going to the house tonight, but I might. But that should do it. Thanks guys for watching. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.